Welcome back to another West Country Tech video. In this video we'll be taking a look at another dairy farm in North Devon. The specifications for this site were security, Wi-Fi across both the site and the house, and livestock monitoring. The Wi-Fi connectivity and speed was especially important here as they had no phone reception on the site at all previously, and with their large number of staff members it was paramount the connection resolve this issue. To achieve the security side of the install, we installed multiple bullet cameras across the site covering yards and entrances. For livestock monitoring, we installed 2 PTZ cameras in the main cattle sheds, their movement and zooming capabilities making them ideal to monitor the interior of the entire shed, as well as move and monitor the calving pens using the same cameras. To achieve a Wi-Fi connection around the site, we utilised both wireless links and Zyxel outdoor rated access points. The main connection being sent through the wireless links and broadcast over all areas using the access points. These wireless links also serve the purpose of sending the camera images back to the recorder, the camera images being viewable on the monitor provided or the smartphone app.